Hello friends, today we here talk about diabetes insipidus. Diabetes insipidus is a condition which make is a difficult to body and fluid. It can make you very thirsty. You may also have dry skin, constipation or hair loss, fatigue or headache. When your blood too concentrated, control the hormone which is stored here in the pituitary gland. This hormone into the release blood sterine. This causes the kidney, which is what do you want, to concentrated diabetes insipidus. Is the pituitary release less hormone or the kidney not responds correctly to the hormone, or the kidney loses too much fluid? A lots of diet can help, some medicine are help. Is the most important thing to drink to avoid many hydration. Most of it can be managed. Thanks for watching my video. You have any query, you ask me question in the comment box. Is this video are helpful for? Please like this video, share and subscribe our channel.